Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create products in Canva and sell them using Printify and Etsy in 2026. Step by step from absolute zero to live product listing. This guide is perfect if you want to start an online business with low risk, you have no design experience, you don't want to deal with inventory or shipping, or you're confused about how Canva, Printify, and Etsy work together. By the end of this video, you will understand the full system, not just individual tools. So let's get started. Now, understanding the full business model, big picture. Before touching any tool, you need clarity. Here's how this business works. Canva, you design the product or select a template. For that matter, we can select template today. Printify print and ships the product. Etsy, let me go to view here, store. Etsy is a marketplace where customers buy. Okay, the flow, you design product in Canva or select a design from Canva, right? You upload the design in Printify, right? And publish the product to Etsy. And customer orders on Etsy. Printify produces the ships. You keep the profit. You never touch the inventory. You never ship anything yourself, right? Why this model still works in 2026? Many people think print on demand is too saturated. It's not. What's saturated is generic designs, lazy listings, copy-paste stores. What still works, niche-focused designs, clear mockups, consistent uploads, right? Etsy rewards originality and clarity, not big brands, right? Now, setting up Canva. Go to canva.com and create a free account. You don't need a Canva Pro to start. Inside Canva, we will use a logo size presented by Canva template and export high quality PNG files. Keep it simple. Canva is your design engine, right? Not a playground. So let's say I'm searching for logo for t-shirt and I'm gonna choose this one, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna customize this template. A new window will pop up or new window will open up and I'm gonna use this design, right? If I want to change it to something like my name or something like that, or my company, I'm gonna hit share, right? After you finish, obviously. And then of course download it as a PNG, right? Preferably. You can add also many elements, like if you want to add graphics, designs, phones, or whatever. You can add animations, shapes, right? You can do that on your own time, right? So, I mean, yeah. Okay. Step 4, finding the correct design for Printify. This step is critical, often skipped. Before selecting your template, go to Printify and select your product, right? Or choose a product. And if you're new, you can just go ahead to the catalog and select a product category, let's say t-shirts, and start designing using one of these products, right? And hit start designing. And also check the reviews and everything, because you want to make sure that it's top rated. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go back to my design, right? And yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and edit my own design, right? Now what I'm gonna do, after I save or hit share and download it as a PNG and everything, I'm gonna upload it, of course, to Printify. So I'm gonna hit upload on the left hand menu, use my device or Dropbox, right? And if you want to add from library, you're gonna see 2 free samples to add on Printify. Okay, most t-shirts use 4500 by 5400 pixels. Never guess sizes. Your design quality depends on this. Okay, Now, once you design and export basically the logo on Canva, you gotta just hit save product, right? And you're gonna see, of course, the final results. So click the photo, and as you can see limitless behind, multiple like areas, different places in alignment. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't connected your not Shopify, if you haven't connected your own Printify to Etsy, what you gotta do, hit your avatar icon right here at the top, or my Etsy store, your store here at the top, and add a new store. Click Etsy, right, and grant access to use your Etsy account for Printify to sync Printify with Etsy, right? This allows automatic syncing later. Okay, now once we if you are new, obviously you select catalog and t-shirts to create a new product, and of course they will walk you through the steps on how to add the picture, the alignment, places, colors. You can see it all inside, right? And basically, yeah, that's it. Make sure to check print quality, production time before you start designing, and shipping location. Faster shipping equals better Etsy reviews. Upload your Canva PNG, design and adjust placement as we mentioned before, so you can always preview before you publish. Okay. Now, choosing and arranging the mockups, right? Mockups sell product. In Printify, go to the pencil here, right? And choose the right mockup, right? So let me go back. Not here. It's in here. Yeah. Choose the right mockup, right? Select clean lifestyle mockups. Choose multiple angles. Pick the best mockup as the main image. Hit view all mockups here, and you can add as many as possible. Let's say you want to add one back, right? And this, select, right? And you're gonna be adding as much angles as possible to make the product look attractive. Make it clear, bright, and readable, right? Pricing must cover Printify base cost, right? Which you can add here and scroll a little bit down. Select the shipping method, let's say economy, and the pricing, right? So you can see right here, one color on stock, and the profit would be like 14.85. The price would be depending on the product itself, depending on the shirt. So I'm gonna hit edit price and add a different price on my own. Make sure it covers Printify base cost, shipping, Etsy fees, profit. Do not underprice. Etsy buyers don't always want the cheapest. They want clarity and trust. Once ready, add the product detail, title, description, set pricing, shipping, and all that stuff, right? And congratulations, your product is officially for sale. Hit publish only, right? And confirm that you want to sync all of the details with Etsy. Basically, that's it, right? Etsy works like search engine, right? Your title should describe the product clearly, include buyer-focused keywords, avoid keyword stuffing. Descriptions should explain what the product is, who it's for, and how it's used. Shipping expectations. Clarity beats cleverness. Right? When customer orders, Etsy receives payment, right? So you can understand the order and fulfillment structure. Printify automatically fulfills. Product is shipped or product is printed, shipped to customer, tracking updates sync to Etsy. You can just hit view store and see the final results here. All right, you don't manually do anything. This is where automation helps. Avoid copying other sellers' designs using copyrighted content, ignoring shipping times, uploading low quality mockups, expecting instant results. Consistency beat speed. All right. So once you understand the system, upload more designs, test different niches, expand product types, improve best-selling listings. One good design can sell for years. So making products in Canva and selling them via Printify and Etsy in 2026 is one of the lowest risk online business models available. No inventory, no shipping, no technical barrier. Your success depends on design clarity, niche understanding, consistency. Start simple, improve as you go. If this beginner's guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full niche research or Etsy SEO walkthrough next. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.